Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Ellenmarie and I'm back with another video. Okay, so as you can see by the title of the video, this is gonna be my deep conditioning routine. And y'all, I think I found a staple product. I think I did. And to start off the video, I just washed my hair, started shampooing and conditioning my hair, and I used the Maui Moisture Heal and Hydrate Shea Butter shampoo. It says for dry and damaged hair. I don't have damaged hair. My hair was a little dry though, and I just got this. And I use a conditioner as well. This says it has coconut oil, macadamia, and shea butter. I didn't think I was gonna like these, but they were really good. Really good. The conditioner really blew me. Like, I was blown away by this conditioner. I did not know it was really soft. And I didn't have to use a lot. I think I only used like, my auntie used this before me, so she probably used like this much, and I probably used like that much. So that's not a lot for real. But yeah, the shampoo, I probably she probably used like this, I probably used like that. I didn't use a lot. The shampoo, I might have to try it again. It was good, but I think I want to try it again just to make sure. But the conditioner, so yeah, okay. So anyways, back to the video. For my deep conditioning today, I do want to say before I tell y'all what it is, I did use this like the last time I deep conditioned, and oh my god, my curls was popping. Okay, but I did deep condition overnight with it, so that might have been it, but still when I was applying it, it was so good, so smooth. But yeah, okay, so the deep conditioner I'm using is the Creme Nature with argan oil from Morocco Intensive Conditioning Treatment. This right here is a game changer. Last time I want to say I did use about this much, so that is kind of a lot, but not really, considering I'm heavy-handed with my deep conditioners. Directions say after shampooing, apply a generous amount to hair and comb through for even distribution. And it says place the plastic cap over the hair and sit under a warm hooded dryer for 10 to 15 minutes and rinse thoroughly. When I did this last time, I did put a lot on. I detangled with it. Not detangled, but like run my hands through it to make sure it's all in there. And then I did put a plastic cap on. Then I put a bonnet on. And I did leave it in overnight because I just needed it. The first ingredient is water. And then glycerin. And then a whole bunch of other stuff I can't say. But the first two ingredients look good to me. Cedar oil, alcohol. Yeah, but they look good to me. It has olive and fruit oil. It has a little bunch of stuff in here that's really, really good. So I strongly suggest y'all try this, but I'm going to be trying it with y'all today so y'all can see it and how I make my curl pop. Hopefully, cross your fingers, it does what it did last time, okay? But yeah, let's just get right into this video. I'm talking too much. Okay, so I parted my hair in 4 sections, and I'm going to start with the back section right here. And first, I'm just going to apply my aloe vera juice, and it has a little bit of water in it. If you haven't seen my video already, I'm going to put it in the cards for my last video, which explains why I'm using the aloe vera juice. But yeah, I'm just going to spray. And last time I like drenched my hair, but I used water, so hopefully the aloe vera helps it more, maybe gives it more of a oomph effect. But I don't know. Make sure y'all can see this. I'm getting water everywhere, but it's okay. In the comment section, tell me if you guys have used this product or what deep conditioners you guys want me to try, because I think I want to start doing deep conditioner Sundays, because I always deep condition on Sunday, even though today is Monday. Today is like my off day, but yeah. Okay, so this is what my curls are looking like before. Not very defined. What a little bit more. I like my hair to be drenched when I put in deep conditioners, so yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna apply this. And the only thing I don't like about this is probably the smell. The smell is not all that, but it's really creamy. Really creamy. Creamy. And it goes on so smooth. Like, and you guys see my curls clumping a little bit already. And it's not even a like a curl defining gel or a styler. This is a deep conditioner. But yes, like, oh my god. I just love this deep conditioner. Like, y'all see it? Y'all see, and it's that I can already tell it's giving me shine too, and I just applied it. And my hair does like shine like all the time. So, and my towel's falling great. But y'all see, like, this looks so good. Add a little bit more water. Yeah, I really love this product. Oh my god, I wish this was like a, to be honest, I can just leave them, can it? No, no, deep conditioner is a deep conditioner. Okay, now that you guys seen that part, I think I'm gonna do, no, I'm gonna speed this up and then show you guys when I get to the front. Okay, so I'll be back in a sec. Okay, so this is my last session right here. Y'all see this shine? It's a little white right here, but y'all see the shine? That's crazy. Okay, y'all see this now? My hair is shedding a little bit. My ends need to be trimmed, so don't mind that. But let's put this on. Y'all see how controlled I got it? And my hair is looser up in the front, so y'all see? Oh my god, that's why I love this stuff, and it looks so shiny. Try to get my edges. But yeah, okay, I'm gonna come back when I finish my whole head. So we'll be back. Okay, so I'm done applying my deep conditioner. And I don't know why, but this side of my hair shrinks up more. I really don't know. But the curls over here look really good. Look at these defined curls. Oh my gosh. Let me do 360. But yeah, okay, so right now I'm just gonna put my what is this, plastic bag on, and I'm gonna put a towel on my head, and I'm gonna do some stuff around the house, probably edit a video, watch YouTube videos, something like that. And then I'll be back when I get from under the dryer. I'm gonna go under the hooded dryer too, so I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so I'm back. I just got out the shower, fresh face, everything, but I'm about to take down my hair. And I left my deep conditioner in for about, I want to say at least an hour. Probably with a little bit more than an hour, but at least an hour. Whew, this thing is wet. Whew. Hold on, let me turn this up. Ooh, look at these curls, you guys. What? These curls look good. Now these, I need to cut these. I have a few pieces that look a little terrible. But, okay. So I'm sorry, but I had some food come, and you know, when people get hungry, they get hungry. So I would go eat, and my hair been dry for like 20 minutes now. It still is soft. Like, look at the curls. We can't see them as much now. The curls look good. So this, I'm gonna give it an 8. An 8. Probably 8.5, something like that. Because it was so good. Oh, my food's good too, by the way. But yeah, this is really good. My hair is really soft, even though it's drying up. Like, y'all could tell it's shrinking up. It's like right here. First it was like right here, but it's all good. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video. So yeah, so I definitely recommend this product. Okay, so I thank you guys for watching, and make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.